Good morning. I hope you guys have all had a wonderful week this week. As you can see, I'm not in the van right now. Cynthia is actually back in Alaska. I'm down here in New Jersey. And one thing since I've been here that I've been noticing and it keeps bothering me, and maybe it's just because I'm used to the pristine nature of Alaska, is the amount of trash everywhere. So we all have an opportunity to make a difference, and I challenge you to get out there and make a difference.
Sun shines on my bedroom wall, and today is the day at the start of it all. It's true, I wanna be more like you. Oh yeah, you really made me see that a life without hope, a life without dreams ain't good. I wanna be more like you. I wanna be more like you.
During this trip, I had an opportunity to meet up with two of our subscribers, Karen and Michael. Thank you. Thanks for the hospitality. It was a great visit. During that visit, I had the opportunity to take a look at the 2020 Winnebago Revel, and I didn't really see too much of a difference, primarily in the front end. The bug screens I'm kind of indifferent with. They're permanent. I like the front one. I'm not that big of a fan of the back one. The automatic door, in my opinion, I'm just worried that that would be one more thing that could go wrong mechanically with the Revel. So this is a headliner in the new 2020. I don't know if I can handle that one.
I love it because
I would nail my head every time.
I have another bag like this, and we put all our, so Michael's clothes are here, and then mine go here. So this is kind of like our little bureau or whatever where we keep all our clothes. I know you have them in waterproof bags.
Yeah, in the back.
In the back, but it works out really well to be up here. And I'm shorter, so it doesn't, I don't hit my head. But
I like the drink holders.
yeah, those are nice.
And the comfortable seats. The back is all the same, it looks like.
Yeah.
And they got the magma pots.
From Cynthia.
See, look at all these stupid stickers here, you know?
I really liked the leather seats in it. The seats are a lot more comfortable than what our Winnebago Revel has. And I like the dash setup. They have more cup holders in it. Looks more firm, looks prettier. And the thermostat as well. That's the only major changes that I saw. Pretty much everything else is the same between the 2020 and 2019. Yesterday I spent the day walking around Atlantic City, had a wonderful time, walked on the boardwalk, we had great weather. Unfortunately, it was really windy, so I couldn't put the drone up at all. And we went to a couple casinos, didn't lose any money, just had a fun time. We visited a bunch of different shops and went to lunch at an awesome restaurant. And today, I'm donating my day to cleaning up this area, which is completely full of garbage. Again, it could just be because we're from Alaska and we're kind of used to it being really clean, but it really gets under my skin seeing this amount of garbage. So I went over, picked up some garbage bags, some gloves of course, and now I'm gonna get to work.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep, so all that's left is you and me. I can't promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by. Tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream.
One of the things that we all have in common, whether it's van life or RV life or overlanding or simply camping, is we love being outdoors. We love to explore in different areas, different communities. So our challenge to you is to get out and make a difference. Do something for the community that you're visiting, whether it's picking up garbage like I did today or volunteering in some way. You know, a lot of people don't like this lifestyle to come into their neighborhoods, but that's because a lot of us don't do anything to give back to the community. So try to make a difference. Get out there, do something. In regards to our challenge to you, if you spend an hour in a random area picking up some garbage, you're gonna make a difference. And our commitment to you, if you post a video of you picking up one bag of garbage and you tag us in that video, or you tag us in an Instagram post or a YouTube post, we'll send you one of our stickers. There's a lot of challenges out there that do nothing to give back to the community, but this is something that you could do to make a difference for society as a whole. So thank you for watching this video. We always appreciate hearing from you. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you again soon.